What if the very tools we use to navigate the digital world are evolving faster than we can comprehend? The future of artificial intelligence isn't just arriving, it's already here, transforming the landscape of how we think, create, and interact. In a realm where digital minds are becoming indistinguishable from human intellect, we find ourselves at the precipice of a new era. Today, we're diving deep into the titans of this transformation. OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude will peel back the layers of their complex architectures, dissecting their reasoning capabilities, understanding their memory capacities, and exploring their practical applications. For developers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone curious about the cutting edge, this is an exploration into the core of tomorrow's technology, uncovering not just what they can do, but how they truly think. The promise of artificial intelligence lies in its ability to reason, to take disparate pieces of information and forge coherent, intelligent responses. But how truly intelligent are these models when faced with real-world complexities? Our journey begins by putting these AI giants to the test, evaluating their core reasoning capabilities. We didn't just ask them to regurgitate facts. We challenged them with a series of complex tasks, from logical puzzles to intricate creative writing prompts, pushing the boundaries of their understanding. First, a classic riddle. What has an eye but cannot see? The answer, of course, is a needle. ChatGPT, while capable, often struggled with the nuances of such abstract thinking. It might offer a list of possibilities, but rarely zeroed in on the most elegant solution without further prompting, sometimes getting tangled in literal interpretations. Gemini, however, demonstrated a more nuanced understanding. It processed the abstract nature of the riddle with surprising clarity, often identifying the needle directly or through a logical chain of reasoning. But then there was Claude, which not only provided the accurate response, but sometimes offered a brief, creative explanation of its logic, showcasing a distinct approach to problem solving. Next, we escalated the challenge, a complex business scenario. Imagine a global tech company struggling with declining user engagement across multiple platforms. We asked our models to diagnose the problem and propose actionable strategies. Gemini truly shone here, demonstrating impressive data analysis skills. It didn't just list generic solutions. It broke down potential causes, such as UI/UX issues, content stagnation, or competitor influence, and proposed a multifaceted strategy involving A/B testing, personalized recommendations, and community building, complete with key performance indicators. ChatGPT proved capable, offering solid, well-structured advice, but often lacked the depth of analysis and the sheer breadth of actionable insights that Gemini provided. It could offer a good framework, but not always the granular detail. Claude, on the other hand, was remarkably cautious and insightful. While its suggestions were robust, it consistently highlighted the ethical implications of data collection and user manipulation, advocating for user-centric design and transparency. It brought a unique, human-centric perspective to a purely technical business problem, a clear indication of its foundational design principles. Beyond just reasoning, the memory of an AI is paramount. How much information can it process and retain within a single conversation? This is where the concept of token memory becomes critical. Think of a token as the fundamental unit of information, roughly equivalent to a word or part of a word. The context window or token limit is essentially the AI's short-term memory, determining how much information it can keep in mind during an interaction. A larger context window means the AI can understand longer documents, maintain more complex conversations, and recall earlier parts of a discussion without losing its train of thought. This is crucial for developers building applications that require deep, continuous engagement, or for users analyzing extensive datasets. To test this, we fed each model lengthy documents, research papers, legal briefs, and even entire novels, asking them to summarize, extract specific information, and answer questions based on earlier parts of the text. ChatGPT, with an impressive token limit that can reach up to 128,000 tokens, proved highly capable. This capacity allows for extended interactions, enabling it to synthesize large amounts of data and remember conversational threads over significant periods. You can paste in an entire book chapter, and it can usually grasp the core arguments. Gemini takes this a step further, boasting a substantial token capacity of up to 1 million tokens in its more advanced versions. This truly pushes the boundaries, allowing it to handle truly massive datasets and maintain incredibly long, complex dialogues without losing context. For tasks involving deep research, analyzing entire code bases, or extended creative writing projects, Gemini's immense memory is a significant advantage, reducing the need for constant refeeding of information. Claude, while not reaching Gemini's peak, still offers a very respectable context window, typically around 200,000 tokens. Its approach often prioritizes accuracy and safety within this window over sheer volume, ensuring it processes the given context meticulously. This doesn't mean it's less capable. Rather, it highlights a design philosophy that values depth and reliability in its understanding of the provided text. But these AI models are more than just advanced chat interfaces. Their true power extends into computer use features, enabling them to interact with the digital world beyond simple text generation. This is where they transition from conversational agents to potent digital assistants and creative collaborators. We explored 3 key areas: code generation, image creation, and web access. For developers, code generation is a game changer. We tasked each model with writing simple applications, debugging existing code, and even improving code efficiency. ChatGPT consistently generated functional code quickly, often with helpful comments, proving its value for rapid prototyping and boilerplate generation. Debugging capabilities were also robust, identifying errors and suggesting fixes with good accuracy. Gemini, however, often produced more optimized and creative solutions, particularly for complex algorithms or integrating multiple APIs. Its understanding of different programming paradigms and ability to suggest architectural improvements was noticeably stronger, making it a powerful tool for experienced developers. Claude, while proficient in generating clean, readable code, frequently emphasized best practices, security considerations, and maintainability, aligning with its safety-first philosophy. It often provided warnings about potential vulnerabilities or suggested more secure alternatives. Next, image creation. Here, the models translate text prompts into visual representations. While the direct image generation capabilities might reside in companion models like DALL-E for OpenAI or Imagen for Google, the ability to conceptualize and guide visual output varies. When given a detailed prompt, ChatGPT could describe an image with enough specificity for a separate image generator to follow effectively. Gemini, with its multimodal capabilities, often excelled at understanding highly complex visual cues and generating detailed image prompts, hinting at a deeper internal understanding of visual concepts. Claude's descriptions were often precise and imaginative, but also frequently included caveats about ethical considerations in image generation, particularly regarding bias or harmful content. Finally, web access. The ability to pull information from the internet is vital for providing up-to-date answers and insights. ChatGPT, through its integrated browsing capabilities, can access and process current web data, ensuring its knowledge isn't stagnant. Gemini's integration with Google's vast search index gives it a powerful advantage here, allowing it to provide remarkably fresh and comprehensive information, synthesizing data from multiple sources in real time. Claude, too, can access external information, often with a focus on sourcing verifiable data and acknowledging potential biases in its sources. The ability for these models to move beyond their training data and interact with the live internet fundamentally broadens their utility, transforming them into dynamic research tools. So, where does this leave us in the grand comparison of these AI titans? The truth, as is often the case with cutting-edge technology, is nuanced. There is no single supreme model that outshines the others in every aspect. Each possesses distinct strengths, designed to excel in different arenas. ChatGPT remains a general-purpose powerhouse. It excels in broad tasks, creative writing, and providing generally accessible information, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of users and applications. Its balanced approach to capabilities makes it a solid choice for everyday interaction and ideation. Gemini truly shines in data analysis, complex problem solving, and tasks requiring immense context. Its massive token memory and advanced multimodal reasoning make it an ideal tool for researchers, developers tackling intricate code, and anyone needing to synthesize vast amounts of information. Claude, with its distinct approach, prioritizes safety, ethical considerations, and reliable, high-quality output. Its thoughtful responses, emphasis on best practices, and cautious approach offer a unique and valuable perspective, particularly for applications where trust, fairness, and security are paramount. Ultimately, the best model depends entirely on your specific needs. Do you require raw computational power and the ability to process encyclopedic amounts of data? Gemini might be your champion. Are you looking for a creative partner, a general assistant, or a versatile tool for everyday tasks? ChatGPT delivers. Or perhaps your priority is a thoughtful, ethical, and meticulously reliable AI, even if it means slightly less aggressive output? Claude stands ready. We encourage you to experiment with each of these incredible models, discover their potential, explore their nuances, and find the AI companion that best amplifies your own capabilities. If you found this deep dive valuable, hit that subscribe button to join our journey through the rapidly evolving world of tech. And for more head-to-head comparisons, check out our next video on screen now.